High grade 2 Egyptian syllabus. Today it will be unit 2 in your new syllabus book. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today I will start unit 2 in the new syllabus book, which is shapes, which is color, shapes, and numbers. So let's learn together about this unit. Here we have listen, repeat, and practice. Here we have some shapes. Let's learn it together. We have here circle, 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 square, square, triangle. We have here circle, square, triangle, circle, square, triangle. We have here blue, orange, green, blue, orange, green. I would like to have papers, pencil and paper, and write these words below with me to keep it. I will repeat again. Circle, 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 square, 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 triangle, triangle, triangle. I think we took these shapes in mathematics. Not difficult. Blue, 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 orange, 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 green, green, green. Let's do this exercise together to practice on what we learned here. Here is, what if this, I would like to guess with me, what if this square? What's the color of this square? It will be blue. So I select which one I selected. The first one, it will be, this is a blue square. What if the shape, can guess with me, what if the shape? It's triangle. What if the color of this triangle? Green. So I select which one? Number B, are clever pupils. What if this? It's circle. It's what is the color of this circle? It's red. So I select which one? I select the last one. The red circle is on the desk. Let's go to another one here. Here we say this is an, or this is an orange. Orange what? What is the shape of, what is the shape? It's called triangle. You are clever pupils. I'm listening to saying triangle. You are clever. You are clever, and we will take we will take the full mark. I think so. This is a space. What is this square? What is the color of this square? This square is green. You are clever pupils. Okay. This is a space circle. This is a blue circle. You are clever. I'm listening. You saying blue. You are clever because you follow me and study video by video. Okay, and lesson by lesson. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Here we say and write. What color is this? It's red. What color is this? This is, so here is the color is red. You know the color that we write it. Here we write in blue color. Here write in red color. Here write in what? In green color. So the answer here, it will be here. It's green. It's green. Why it's green? Because the color here is green. Oh, he want from you to steal the color of his handwriting. Okay, in this exercise, he know this from he want from you to know what color that he write with. He write here with green color. Here we want to know that we use the color, then the shape. We write the color before the shape. Here, what if this shape is circle? So I write here circle. So the circle is written at the end of the sentence. So I can describe this circle by what? By green. So it will be here green circle. So we use the color is described as we use the describe as an adjective. So here we say green circle. Here we say blue square. I say here blue square. Okay, you must know this, that the color treated as what? As adjectives. So must be written the adjective, then write the noun, the adjective that describe noun. The noun here, it will be what? It will be here square. The noun here, it will be what? It will be circle. So we say green circle, blue square. Must know this rule, okay? That the color, if we say blue, if we say red, or if we say or if you say orange, all these colors describe what? Describe nouns. Describe what? Describe nouns. So the colors treated as what? As adjectives. I would like to know this rule, grade 2. Colors described as adjectives. Let's continue the rest of our unit. Here is we say, what color is this? What color is this? It's what? It's blue. What color? What the shape? Here I talk about the shape. The shape here is triangle. Let's go to another item here. I would like to write the rule that I told it before, and we all of us, I think, know this rule with me. Okay, during the lessons of Connect. Subject, verb, object. This is called the components of the sentence. Let's do it. Let's apply this rule on this sentence. Here we say this. It will be here. This is. Here is subject, verb. Here is verb. This is a red circle. I answer to a sentence. I leave the last one to do it by yourself. Okay, circle here. If we can say, Miss Iman, we can do this rule on all the sentences. Yeah, yes, all the sentence, statement sentence. But when we make a question form, what can I do? I replace the verb instead of subject. I replace the verb instead of subject. Like the last one here, we say here, what is this? It will be here, what is this? I replace the verb instead of subject. Okay, this is the answer of the last one. I will leave it to you by yourself. Here it will be here. This is subject verb. This is a blue square. Because now I explained the rule of using the color as an adjective. Okay. So now we say this is a blue square or this is a red circle. Okay. So here the color used as an adjective form. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Here we say color and play. Here is color the ball with red. So I will leave this to do it by such. All of us know the red color. The red color is this one. I use it with you. Here is red color. We use here red color. This is called red. When we say blue, what is blue? Blue. This one is blue. Can say yellow. Which one is yellow? This one is yellow. This is the color. So you can color every item here with suitable color. Let's go to another item here. Here is blue, green, and orange. This is a space circle. Here is you can color the shape and write the color of every shape here. Color the shapes and complete the sentence. If we colored by green, we say here green circle. If we colored by blue, we say blue circle. If we colored the square by green, we say green square or a blue square. Colored by any color you wanted. This is A or A. You can color by orange or you can color by any color and say the colors in the shape that I would describe it. Okay. Let's go to another to the next lesson. Today I will explain 2 lessons only to be able to study. Okay, because I know it's a lot to take many lessons today because I know your ability to study. Okay, I know your ability to study. You can't study more and more, can study more words. You can have a few to be able to study. Here we say here blue. So here we say blue. Here we say what here? It will be here triangle. So here we have the word and you must write it in the correct way. So this depend on what? Depend on keeping the vocab. Because as we told you before, that when we have missing letters rearranged like this one, we must keep the vocab to be able to do it. Okay, here is what it will be here, green. Okay, I will leave you to guess the rest of the words. Okay, by yourself. You can guess it by yourself. Okay. Now, if you keep the vocab, you can answer the rest of the questions. Okay. And I think it's easy. I don't want to. I understand it, and I am able to answer for you. But I would like to make your mind to be able to make your mind to be to know how to answer the different types of questions in your exam. Let's go to another item here in this part. It will be here. We have dog, books, fox, sun, cup, pond. it will be dog, books, fox, sun, cup, and pan. Let's do the words here. Here we say here dog. I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here it will have one. Here sun. Okay. Here we have box. So I leave the rest to do it by yourself. This depends on what keeping the vocab and then answer this question by yourself. Okay, I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay, here is the words that we learned here in this lesson. In this lesson we learn dog, books, fox, sun, cup, pan. I will leave after I finish the video. I will leave you the link of this book below the video to download it and trace the words. And I would like to keep it grade 2. You must start your book by keeping the vocab to be able to study it and understand it before you go to the academic year, to be able to understand what the teacher told you during the academic year in the class. Okay, so must go to the academic year with understanding everything. Okay, if you understand everything, you can be able to understand, and you have full marks in the exams. Okay, here we have dog, books, fox, sun, cup, pan. So here we have the same words as here. Here is the same, the missing letters here. So I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here we have also here we have a rearrange. Okay, this depends on what, as we told you before, depend on what, on keeping the vocab. If you kept the vocab, you can answer this question easily. Okay, here is we say dog, say here books, say here fox. This depends on keeping the vocab. For a million times, you must keep the vocab to answer this question. And in missing letters, only we must keep the vocab. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, label the picture from the word book. So here we have the word, and I put the suitable word by suitable picture. What if this? It's sun, so I select sun here. If we want to write a sentence to say, I will give you the sample sentence to write in the exam. It's sun, it's dog, it's cup. So it can be easy to write a simple sentence to be able to take your mark. Here is sun, here is dog. When we say write a sentence in the exam, it's I give you the simple sentence. It will be, we say this is a sun, or it's a sun. This is a dog, or it's a dog. This is a cup, or it's a cup. So it's an easy sentence to write it in the exam. Okay, to be easy, write it in the exam. Here is cup. So here we have sun, we have dog, we have cup. Let's go to another item here in this lesson. We say here draw and write. For example, here this is a blue ball. So here we can, in this part, we can draw things like dog, like circle, like square, like anything, and then colored by any color of colors that we know here. We know here blue, green, and yellow, and blue, green, yellow, orange. So we can draw anything and colored by any color of that we learned during this lesson. Today we end from our lesson. Next class I will start lesson 3. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today, and I hope to keep the vocab grade 2 to be able to understand what we will explain later. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot, and till we meet again. Goodbye.